How to put a line through text on Discord. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to put a line through text on Discord, here's what you need to do. So just open up any of your general chat or channel where you can easily type in text. So I will simply select this non-general channel and just head over to my chat section. And let's say I want to add a line through on my text. So let me just quickly show you what I mean. So here I haven't used anything for this text. So when I use this symbol like a middle hyphen or curved hyphen, I don't know what to call this, but here's a middle hyphen which is right above the tab on your keyboard. So you can just basically use it twice or both on the front and last, and just simply put on the text in the middle of it. And once you do like this, a line will be put through in the middle of that particular text. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.